screen. Got it.
Just going Joy.
So I bought this little kit and my plan was to make it with you guys, but it did have to sit for
Pointing.
24 hours until it got hard. And then you had to paint it and let that sit for 24 hours as well. So we went ahead and just made it. So this is what it looks like, and I'll show you the kit. This is what it looks like. We just painted it like a brown color. And it came in this little kit, which you guys can get at Hobby Lobby. And it's only 10 bucks. And it has the instructions, the mold, and little decoration things to put in it too. The only thing you do need to buy or to get to go with it is the vinegar and baking soda. Other than that, you are good to go. Okay, so we're going to talk about some fun facts first. I'm going to share my screen. Oops, wrong button. Okay. Let me know if you guys can see. Can you guys see this? Can everyone see this okay? Okay, we're gonna get started. So volcano facts. Number one, put simply, a volcano is an opening in the Earth's surface. Usually found in a mountain, the opening allows gas, hot magma, and ash to escape from beneath the Earth's crust. The word volcano comes from the Roman name Vulcan. But who was Vulcan? You might ask. He was a Roman god of fire. Ooh, that's interesting. Did you guys know that? All right, number three. Volcanoes are often found at meeting points of tectonic plates. These plates are pieces of the Earth's surface that fight together just like a jigsaw puzzle. Volcanoes can also occur over mantle plumes or plumes. Ever heard of mantle plumes? They're super hot areas of rock inside the Earth. So number five, approximately 350 million people live within danger range of an active volcano. Who can tell me a place where there's volcanoes? Does anybody know a place where there's volcanoes? What about Hawaii? They have volcanoes, right? That means that around 1 in 20 people live in an area at risk of volcanic activity. Number six, volcanoes are classified as active, dormant, or extinct. This refers to the amount of volcanic activity. Active means their regular activity. Dormant means there's been recent activity, but the volcano is currently quiet. And extinct means it's been so long since the last eruption that it's unlikely to ever erupt again. Ooh. Number seven, volcanoes can be a variety of shapes. I didn't know that. I thought they were all kind of like this triangle shape. These geographical wonders come in various shapes and sizes, but there are two main types. Composite volcanoes, which are cone-shaped, which would be probably like the one I showed you guys, with steep slopes, and shield volcanoes, which are wide with gentle slopes. Interesting. Magma and lava are two different things. Magma is the name given to hot liquid rock inside a volcano. Once it leaves the volcano, it's known as lava. That's interesting. Number nine, volcanoes don't just occur on land. They can be found on the ocean floor and under ice caps too. Well, that's an interesting fact. Number 10, lava from a volcano can reach 1,250 degrees Celsius. Lava is so hot, it can burn everything in its path. If you need a glass thermometer to take the temperature, it would melt. Oh, wow. The world's largest active volcano is that Mauna Loa in Hawaii. What? Standing a whopping 4,169 meters tall. This geological giant last erupted in 1984. So it's been a while. So would this one here be extinct? Would it be active, or what was the other word? Dormant. Which one would this one be, you guys? If it hasn't erupted since 1984, it would be extinct, right? All right, number 12. Volcanoes exist throughout the solar system. Other planets and moons have volcanoes too. The largest volcano in our solar system is Olympus Mons, found on Mars. Ooh. Number 13. In AD 79, the Italian town of Pompeii was destroyed and buried by a volcano called Mount Vesuvius. These words are difficult to say their names. Incredibly, the ash deposits preserved the town and remains of the people within it. Today, it's one of Italy's most popular historical sites. I bet that would be a pretty cool sight to see. Number 14. About 1,900 volcanoes on Earth are considered active, likely to explode again. Well, that could be pretty scary, right? Most of the world's active volcanoes are found on the Ring of Fire, a 40,000 kilometer horseshoe-shaped area of the Pacific Ocean. Ooh. Number 15. The loudest sound in record history was made by a volcano called, I don't even know how to say this, guys. Krakatu, found in Southeast Asia. Krakatu erupted in 1883. It released 200 megatrons of energy. That is equivalent of 15,000 nuclear bombs. That's insane. That's crazy. Okay. Number 16. Volcanoes can produce rich, fertile land. Over time, lava and ash break down to produce nutrient-rich soil. Great for growing crops. That's why some people like to set up home on the slopes of a volcano. That's interesting. I wouldn't want to set up a home by a volcano. Number 17. It's not just humans that make use of volcanoes. Birds do too. Maleo birds bury their eggs in the sand or soil near volcanoes to keep them warm. When the chicks hatch, they claw their way up to the surface. Let's check out this video. Let's check this video out really quick, you guys. Hold on. Let me share my sound. If it's gonna let me know if you guys can hear, okay? Can you guys hear it?
It's Amanda. And Keith. We're here at Nat Geo Kids, and this week we've got a bunch of cool videos to share with you all about volcanoes.
So I bet you're wondering, what exactly is a volcano?
I can answer that one. So volcanoes are basically vents in the Earth's crust that release lava, rock fragments, and gases to the surface. Most volcanoes form when huge chunks of the Earth's crust, also known as tectonic plates, collide, move apart, or slide next to each other.
When tectonic plates make contact, magma is squeezed out to the Earth's surface in the form of lava, creating mountainous volcanic regions.
And as we all know, volcanic eruptions can be extremely explosive. Some eruptions are so powerful they can shoot superheated particles over 20 miles high and even throw giant boulders high in the air.
On the other hand, some volcanoes are not that explosive at all. Instead of exploding, lava is slowly released to the surface of the Earth. These are called effusive eruptions and are far less dangerous than more explosive. Let's take a look at our first video, which further answers the question, what is a volcano?
Volcanoes are our most explosive landforms. Able to eject molten rock, clouds of thick ash, high into the atmosphere, with devastating consequences. Volcanoes mostly occur along destructive and constructive plate boundaries, where plates are pushed together or dragged apart. Cracks or weaknesses allow magma to rise up from below the Earth's crust. Pressure builds up, which then releases suddenly, causing the magma to explode. A volcanic eruption. Magma that reaches the Earth's surface is called lava. This molten lava eventually cools to form new rock. After more eruptions over time, a mound of rock builds up, forming a cone-shaped volcano. Volcanoes all have the same key structure. A collection of magma underneath the volcano forms a hot, bubbling furnace called the magma chamber. The main vent allows this magma to escape. At secondary vents, smaller outlets the magma can travel through. The caved-in surface is called the crater. It's created after an eruption blows the top off the volcano. Eruptions occur when pressure forces magma from the chamber up the main vent towards the crater. If the ash and mud from a volcanic eruption mix with rainwater or snow, it creates fast-moving mud flows. The hot lava and overwhelming mud flows can destroy huge areas. However, volcanoes are also essential for life on our planet. Scientists believe that volcanoes formed Earth's first atmosphere by spewing water vapor, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide into the air. And volcanic eruptions continue to contribute to the carbon cycle, crucial to life, by releasing carbon dioxide. They can go through long periods of being very active, but they may also become dormant, not erupting for hundreds or thousands of years. And eventually, they can become extinct, just leaving a cone-shaped hill that never erupts again.
Phew, volcanoes are pretty scary business.
Well, that was pretty cool to get like a visual of it. Okay, let's see what other things we have to go over. Okay,
Yeah.
so that's all the facts. Do you guys want to watch more of the video or do you want to see this erupt? We still have plenty of time.
It's a good thing there aren't too many of them hanging around waiting to explode at any minute, right?
Actually, Keith, there are about 1,500 volcanoes on Earth still considered active and likely to explode again. There are also dormant, sleeping volcanoes that currently show no signs of activity. But hey, they could become active and explode at some point in the future, too.
That's pretty terrifying.
Oh, come on, Keith. That's just silly. I mean, most volcanoes show very low levels of activity. People don't usually live near eruption zones, so we don't really have anything to worry about. Although, a volcanic eruption would be pretty cool. I mean, who doesn't love a good explosion every now and then?
Okay, maybe you have a point there. Explosions are pretty cool.
All right, so for our next video, we're going to explore the science behind volcanic eruptions and why they happen.
Okay, guys. Why do you guys think that volcanoes happen? Zeke, why do you think volcanoes happen? Can you unmute or no? Okay, so we'll go ahead and erupt this volcano. So I have it here in front of me. Okay, I'm going to add the baking soda. Just about a spoonful. You don't need a whole lot because this is a small volcano.
Hey, Nicole.
Yeah.
Oh, Clifford wanted to answer your question.
Okay. Yes, Clifford.
The Eastern and Western Pacific. Where the Western Pacific side of the United States and Asia as well.
That's where they have more volcanoes?
Yes, it's called the Ring of Fire.
Yes, that was mentioned too. Yep, you're right. Good job, Clifford. Good job. All right, are you guys ready to see this erupt?
Japan and California have something else we need to consider.
Okay.
Earthquake.
Clifford, do you know why volcanoes erupt?
Never mind.
I
Sound
don't
good.
know how they come about. No, why?
Oh, I know.
Okay,
Lots of pressure. Lots
There-
of pressure. Blow it up.
yep, there's lots of pressure.
It's
You're
like
right.
a steaming hot sauna. If you do it too much, like try to cover it, it will blow up, like pop out.
It could blow up, yeah.
Like you know, like you put tea, like what do you call those coffee things?
Like a kettle?
Yeah, those coffee things in the stove.
Oh,
and
yeah, that's a great example, yeah.
it will steam up like
Yep,
like that.
that's a really, really good example.
Good afternoon, Nico.
Would we want to touch lava if we seen it?
Hi,
Hi, if we
how
touch,
are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Doing good?
Are you watching, Zeke?
Yeah.
This is gonna
Would we
erupt
want to
volcano.
touch
You
lava?
do
guys?
science?
If we seen lava, would we want to touch it?
Yeah.
You would touch lava, Zeke?
Oh, no.
Why would you not want to touch it?
So it will burn.
It'll burn, right? It's way too hot. So is lava called lava when it's inside of the volcano?
Uh-huh.
Or is it called something else?
Coming down.
What's it called?
Okay.
It's lava when it's outside of the volcano, but it's magma when it's inside, right? Right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Are you guys ready? Okay, here we go. This isn't a really, so we have a little bit of space. So I'm going to put some of the baking soda in there. What do you think is going to happen when I put baking soda and then vinegar?
blowing up.
It's going to blow up. Why do you think
Yeah.
that happens?
Well, because you put too much vinegar, it will pop out.
It will pop out because I put vinegar. But what does the vinegar and baking soda do together?
It gets fused. They can't take it anymore.
Yep. Okay, are we ready?
Yes.
Let's do a countdown. Countdown from 5. Are we ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is that cool? And it just keeps going and going. Do you guys want to add a little more? It stinks though. Is that cool? Did you guys like that? Let's move that away from the computer. Have you guys ever made a homemade volcano? Maybe we can make one.
Oh, I got an idea.
Yes.
Once it cool down, it make a new island.
Yeah. Sometimes there's volcanoes on islands, huh?
No, something erupt in the ocean, make a new island.
They can erupt from the ocean. That's where they come from, right? Is the ocean?
Yes.
Yeah, good job.
One time ago, the Filipino, they have a, volcano attack.
They did. So a lot of volcanoes erupted.
Yeah, in the Filipino. I saw it in the news.
You did?
Mhm.
Whoa. All right, you guys.
Filipino has-
Do you guys have any questions? Welcome. Do you guys have any questions?
I heard it in the news.
No questions?
Can you put me down for tomorrow? I mean, for Friday?
Can I what?
Put me down for music class on Friday?
Yes, I will have them put you down.
Okay.
I'm not sure who has music class, but I'll have them put you down. All right, you
Thank
guys,
you.
thank you for helping with my class and participating.
That was pretty cool. Thank you, Nicole, for showing us that, teaching us about volcanoes.